Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best tamarind fish fry. It's a classic, it's packed with flavor, and it's delicious. So let's get it. I have some beautiful pomfret here. It's got great texture, a light, delicate taste. It's really a prized fish. You want to use a thick fish here that will hold up to the bold flavors. So first, we're going to start off with our spice mixture to marinate our fish in. So I've got here some black pepper. The black pepper pairs so naturally with the tamarind and complements the fish really well. Some salt, a little turmeric, some red chili powder, some garam masala, you've got to have that, coriander powder, ginger paste, garlic paste, our tamarind, and lastly, some oil. The tamarind is just so perfect for the fish. I think fish in general just thrives really well when it's paired with a souring agent, whether it's lemons, capers, or tamarind. It really creates a sharpness that lifts up and complements the freshness of the fish or seafood in general. I am really going to work this into our fish. Don't be afraid to get down and dirty here. You can use some gloves if you want. And if you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious tamarind fish fry at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes to try. You really want to cover all parts of this fish. You want to gently massage the spices into the fish. You want to get into the insides, the skin. The skin packs a ton of flavor, and the oil in the marinade is what's going to make this so delicious and crisp up with all of that flavor. Alright, so once it's well seasoned, I'm going to let this marinate in the fridge. You want it to sit for a minimum of 30 minutes, but you can even marinate it overnight or for a couple of days. Just throw it in the freezer and allow all of that flavor to get deep into the fish. Alright, so now we're going to pan fry our fish. Get the pan nice and hot and then add in some oil. And once the oil is hot, we're going to add in our fish. You want to hear that nice sizzle from the hot oil so you get this nice crust. About 3 minutes on either side, and you can even put a lid on it so it cooks from the inside out. And to really crisp up the skin, just turn it on its side and hold it there in some oil. Alright, so once it's cooked and the meat is flaky, I'm just going to plate this up. Garnish it with some cilantro, some wedges of lime or lemon. And there you have it, folks. Bursting with flavor, tamarind fish fry. Cheers.